le monde chocolat, dark chocolat.
As the Middle East war enters its third week, the Israelis report continuing artillery exchanges on the Syrian front.
Ils veulent montrer que ça le plus.
זה רשת כנראה.
שלום פקד, הרב טוב. שלום לכם. תתקרבו אותם ויותר חשוב.
Yes, look, I'm telling you, this is a more beautiful sight. Turn around and take them.
גרים באורך רצוף את מערך השריון והארטילריה הפועלים בגדה המערבית. ביומיים האחרונים היה שר הביטחון בעבר המערבי של התעלה. הוא ביקר אצל הכוחות שלנו יחד עם האלוף אריאל שרון. כוחות השריון שלנו נתקלים בכוחות המצריים, חיל האוויר מסייע להם בצד המערבי של התעלה. טנקים רבים של מצרים הושמדו. הכוחות ממשיכים להתקדם, לתקוף את הכוחות המצריים מן העורף. תקיפה של נשק טנקי. הכוחות נערכים כאן סמוך למחנה צבאי מצרי כדי לכבוש אותו. עשרות טילים אנטי-אוויריים מצאו כוחותינו בשטח. הנה זהו טיל S-2. בכך ממשיך כוח צה"ל בשבתו בקרב המשנה הגדול בגדה המערבית.
אתה רוצה לשאול מישהו מה זה ספציפי? אתה בקראת אני, אבל? יקוד, עוד לא עשה.
causing paradise. I don't be searching, I don't care. Although I don't know why.
Here, a unit of 160mm mortars, a weapon that's made in Israel, pounding an Iraqi troop movement at a crossroads about 4 miles away. The Israelis have the strength and firepower to hold on to their present positions inside Syria. And I found nothing to give substance to Syrian claims of any Israeli withdrawal. Also, the Israelis have this advantage, that in some places they're operating out of fortified positions that the Syrians themselves built and left behind. So a former Syrian bunker is used by the Israelis as protection from an incoming artillery barrage.
At the camp.
And my leg was hit here over the knee with a big wound, and which crushed and destroyed muscles and entered to the bone and crushed the bone.
But
so there is fracture.
Mm-hmm.
And a big wound. And I had a piece of shelling here on my chest and fractures on my ribs.
We were told that you were expecting.
Yes, I was.
Did you lose the baby?
I was pregnant and I lost the baby.
How many months?
I lost my baby when I was in the beginning of the 7th month.
Was it a boy or a girl?
It was a boy. It is not only, don't make something much around me as a person. It is the situation of the whole people and of the whole Palestinian people. What I hope to do with me as a person is to make the people in the world understand something more about the Palestinian people and to try to learn more about what has happened to them, their history, their future. What is happening now, what is going to happen tomorrow.